So I've become interested in alpacas. I do spinning, and I found my favorite fiber to be alpaca. Angora is second. I do like Angora, but I like alpaca better. And so I just did a search to see, do we have any alpaca farms close to us? And luckily, I have a alpaca farm 20 minutes away from me. And I was so excited, so I called these very nice people up. Their names are Joe and Linnell, and they're from Awesome Alpacas. And it says on their site, when you come to our farm, that we will treat you like family. And they really do. Kate and I went, and we got there, and we sat in their living room for like 30 minutes and just talked. Like we had known each other forever. And that was the first time that we had ever met them. So just such sweet people. So we got to see brand new babies. They had babies like 2 weeks old. They had all the colors of the rainbow. Did you know that alpacas come in 22 colors? 22. Isn't that cool? I know, random fact. So we visited them and actually got some alpaca to spin up. I'm so excited. And I'll show you that video. There's some other exciting things that happened with that one. So that video of our adventures at Awesome Alpaca will come out in another video here in the next couple weeks. I'll show you all about them, and they'll introduce themselves. But it was so fun. It was so fun. I washed alpaca. I washed it and washed it and washed it. I think Kate and I spent like 5 hours like washing alpaca because, well, it was dusty because alpacas like to take dust baths. Anyway, random again, I'm sorry. So anyway, today's soap, let's get to that because that's why you're here, right? Today's soap is loofah soap. So I grow loofah in my yard. Loofah actually are not grown in the ocean. Not grown in the ocean, just so you know. They grow in great big leafy things. Great big vines, actually. And so I harvested some last year, and I just decided to coat it in soap. And so this soap is like the brightest neon and green soap you've ever seen. It's like soap on steroids. I'm going to bring you on my adventure making soap using loofah. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. As you can see, I have my loofah laid out because today I'm going to make loofah soap. And I'm going to make it a little bit a jazzed up version. Look, I'm using pink and neon green. That's right. I'm happy about that. So I wanted to show you, there's a big difference in these two. This is commercial bought loofah. That's like super powered stuff. I don't know. But bought that off of Amazon, and these are the ones that I actually grew in my garden. So these are the harvest from last year. So yeah, big difference. They bleached theirs, I'm sure. Mine are not bleached. This is actually what they look like color-wise. These are bleached. Just so you know. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my lye water solution into here and hope that it all fits. I'm gonna be honest, I hope that it all fits. So I've got aloe vera juice inside here as opposed to water. Oh, it's gonna be close, but I think it'll fit. I'm gonna have to go easy. I'm going to divide it off into two today. So I'll be dealing with two different colors. Carefully. We're going to do about halvesies. All right, so in this one, look at this. Vibrance pink. And why land is it vibrant pink? Look at that color, folks. So pretty. And then this one, I'm going to put this neon green. In the pot swirl where I mix a little bit of both. So I'm just going to do just a little bit on top of here, like so. Because in this one I want primarily pink with green. And watch this, guys. And in this other one, what I want is primarily green with pink. And watch this. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take these loofah and I'm just going to lay them in here. See, this is beginning to set up really well. So that's what I want. And then this one, I'm going to lay this one in here and soak it totally with the loofah and make it so that it's primarily pink with green. Put this one in here. Soak it up. Put this one out here. Friends, do you see over there how they've got holes in them, right? Loofahs have holes. Yeah. Well, I don't really want a whole lot of holes going on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to put the opposing colors down the middle and hope that it fills in the holes. That's the goal. So I'm going to put a little bit in the holes here of the opposing color. I'm going to tap it down to fill the holes up.